Tomatoes are more than just a vibrant addition to salads and sandwiches. They're a nutritional powerhouse offering a range of health benefits that are essential to a balanced diet. At first glance, their bright color and juicy flesh catch the eye, but the real advantage of tomatoes lies beneath the surface, in their impressive combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant compounds. One of the most notable benefits of tomatoes comes from their high content of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant responsible for their red hue. Lycopene has been studied extensively for its potential role in reducing the risk of certain types of cancers, notably prostate cancer. By neutralizing free radicals in the body, lycopene helps protect cells from oxidative stress, which is linked to chronic diseases and aging. Regular consumption of tomatoes, whether in raw, cooked, or processed forms like sauces and juices, has been associated with improved antioxidant status in the body. But the advantages of tomatoes go beyond cancer prevention. Tomatoes are packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and aids in collagen production for healthy skin and wounds healing. They also provide vitamin A, primarily in the form of beta-carotene, supporting good vision, immune function, and healthy skin. Vitamin K, present in tomatoes, is crucial for blood clotting and bone health, while potassium helps manage blood pressure and supports heart health. Eating tomatoes may also contribute to better heart health in several ways. The combined effect of antioxidants, potassium, and soluble fiber helps lower levels of bad cholesterol and blood pressure, both major risk factors for heart disease. Studies suggest that a diet rich in tomatoes and tomato-based products can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular illness over time. Digestive health can also benefit from tomato consumption. The fruit's high water and fiber content help keep the digestive tract moving smoothly and can prevent constipation. Tomatoes are naturally low in calories but high in satisfaction due to their fiber, making them a great choice for those looking to manage their weight without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. Furthermore, tomatoes contain folate, an important B vitamin especially essential for pregnant women or those planning to become pregnant, as it supports fetal development and reduces the risk of certain birth defects. Additionally, the vitamin E and other antioxidants in tomatoes work together to protect the body's tissues from damage, supporting both internal health and the appearance of the skin. The versatility of tomatoes also means they're easy to incorporate into any meal. Whether sliced fresh on a sandwich, chopped into salads, blended into soups, or simmered in sauces, tomatoes bring not only a burst of taste, but also a host of health benefits. Even cooking tomatoes can boost the body's ability to absorb lycopene, showing that both raw and cooked forms are valuable. It's important, however, to be mindful of added salt or sugar in processed tomato products and to opt for fresh or minimally processed varieties when possible. For those concerned about acidity, cooking tomatoes or pairing them with other foods can help make them more digestible. In short, including tomatoes in your daily diet is a simple way to boost your intake of crucial nutrients and protect your health in multiple ways. From supporting heart health and vision to enhancing skin appearance and guarding against certain diseases, tomatoes truly are a food worth celebrating and enjoying in all their delicious forms.